So we just passed structural inspection. What does structural inspection cover? It covers all of our mechanicals. It covers our electrical, our plumbing, our HVAC, and then guess what? The structure as well. It's in the name, right? And so what happens is we'll call the inspector. They'll give us 48-hour window to basically come out, and that we gotta have the building open for them to come out and do their job. And so what they're looking for is to make sure that everything's up to code, right? Not only is it the code, but does it pass the eye test? The eye test is one of the biggest parts. Does this look off? Does that look off? And then they really start to get into the details. Is it wired up correctly? Is the framing done correctly? Does it match the set of plans that we submitted to the city? And so what the inspector does, they'll come out with a set of plans, and they will review the entire structure to make sure that everything is as we said it would be when we submitted those plans. And so what happens next after we pass our inspection, we got insulation. And so we got R15 bat insulation into the walls, but here's one of the other cooler parts too. On all of our homes, we're going for the performance route when we're building our homes. So what that means is that our houses will be nice and tight to help you save on energy bills. And so what we also like to do when we're insulating our homes, what we'll do is we'll spray foam between the cracks and the crevices, between all the windows and the doors to make sure that you don't have any air leakage around your doors and windows. And to add on top of that, the cherry on the sundae, so to speak, is that we got Energy Star rated windows and doors. And so these homes are nice and modern to really carry you forward and make sure that you don't have to spend extra money on those utility bills. You know, help save some money in your pocket. So we're gonna jump over next door. This is what the house looks like before we close it up for drywall, because that's what we got coming in next. We're gonna put, once we get insulation installed, we'll have insulation blown into the attic. But yeah, this is what it looks like right before inspection. We're gonna close this home up next week, so get a good look. But I'll show you what it looks like before we put insulation in. All right, so we're back in, we're in house number 2 right now. This is prior to wall insulation being installed. Really, I just wanted to show you what it looks like with the rough, we've done the framing videos quite a couple of times, a couple framing walkthroughs. But really, this is what it looks like before that insulation comes in. Of course, we did the air sealing in here already, the air sealing around the doors and the windows, just to kind of prevent that air transfer. And so this is what it looks like prior to that wall insulation. If you're in Indianapolis area and you're looking to have a new home built, please go to our website right now at www.cliffsconstruction.com. Go to the Get a Quote form, get that form filled out, and we'll be in touch with you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.